Hi, welcome to another episode of the Discover, and this is Apollo, the world's first foldable power pack using graphene composite battery and USB-C PD technology. It supports up to charge at 60 watt, which means the battery capacity with 6000 mAh can be fully charged in 20 minutes. Also, if using the USB-C 60 watt adapter. Apollo supports the Power Delivery 3 protocol. You need to bring a separate adapter with you because it is compatible with USB-C power adapter of Nintendo Switch, Apple MacBook, Lenovo laptop, Dell laptop or HP laptop. Besides, Apollo supports 40V USB-C power delivery output, which means it supports the fast charging of the latest iPhone 8 or iPhone 10, or in an emergency it supports emergency charge to your Apple MacBook. The cell with the graphene composite material has much smaller internal resistance and better conductivity. Therefore, the temperature rise is lower during super fast charging, so it's safer, and cell swelling and burning will never happen. With the super fast charging, it has the life cycle of 10,000 times. So this is the futuristic graphene power pack from Apollo, and there are also few available on Amazon. If you want to check it out, then link is down, must check it out. And thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.